Hi guys, here's a simple video how to make this type of flower centers using our long stripes for making stamens. So we use our files with the long stripes, and there's a set of 3 available from our shop. You can get them using the direct link to the product right under this video. We will need a few knobs like this. We make them from stripes of paper like this or something similar in size, and we cut them using regular scissors or Martha Stewart scissors, which is 5-blade scissors. This actually does same job, but makes it much faster. So I use a knob and a stripe of this smooth stamens, and I just need to start gluing and rolling my stamens around the knob this way. You may notice sometimes it depends on the size of your knob that the second layer, when you start overlapping the stripe of stamens over the knob for the second time, you may notice that the second layer stamens, they almost touching the first layer stamens, so they do not overlap, but they kind of repeat the shape of the first layer stamens. So what I do recommend to do in this case, once you finish the first layer, just cut this stripe right here and fix the end this way, and then glue the stripe this way so your stamens overlap the stamens of the first layer. Can you see? This is the stamen of the second layer, and these two are the stamens of my first layer. So this way we give our center much fuller look. And I glue and fix this not by the ends, and once you see that you do not overlap again, cut it. Don't be afraid. And overlap again. Make sure you overlap it nicely, and do not exceed more than 2 or more than 3 layers. Go by full layers. Do not allow to have 2.5 or 3.5 or 1.5 layers, because this will be visible from the top of your flower. So now that's what we have, and we can either just unfold this stamens this way and leave them straight and use all this in our flower this way, or you can take your awl or chopstick or whatever you have handy, and absolutely gentle you curl just the tips of your stamens. Do not pull much, because you may just rip everything. These stamens are fragile, and that's the reason actually why they look so delicate. And now it's much better look, I would say. It's softer because we have this nice curl at the ends of our stamens. And now we glue the center to the center of our flower, and this is absolutely gorgeous. We have 3 shapes available in this set of 3: this smooth, this tipsy, and this heart-shaped one. So what we do, another idea how to use this make a center for our lily flower. In order to do this, I just roll this pretty tight like this. Like this, and we form a bunch. And now we just fold the tips of our stamens to the sides, this way and this way and maybe this way, so facing different ways of the flower, so it's sort of messy look. And now we glue just the bottom of it, just tiny bit of glue needed, and we stick it right to the center of our lily flower and hold. That's very important to hold for a while so it stays securely inside the flower. And now it's the lily. Look at this beauty. In our next video, I'll show you how to make more complicated and bit more beautiful centers using same long stripes from the set of 3. And for a while you can get these templates from our shop and try your own flowers. Don't forget to share your photos with us. Send them right directly to our Instagram Paper Pro Tutorials, and we'll definitely repost the most beautiful of them for our audience. Enjoy.